It's me again, Javen L. Borinaga, grade 5 at LIA. If you watched my previous video, we learned about circuits. And in today's video, you will learn about the two types of circuits, parallel circuits and series circuits. Schematic diagrams to represent circuits. There are different ways to describe an electric circuit, aside from words or drawings, that can be used to describe a circuit. Symbols are used to provide a schematic diagram of an electric circuit. A schematic diagram shows how the electric circuit is constructed. It is easier to use because it uses standard symbols, like a battery and its symbol, like a lamp or light bulb and its symbol, like a wire and its symbol, like a switch, open switch and its symbol, and a closed switch and its symbol. Scientists call that any kind of circuit that has one path is a series circuit, and scientists call that any kind of circuit that has two paths to follow is a parallel circuit. So using science, we have solved the electrical mystery. Believe it or not, circuits are all around us. First, let us know what's a series circuit. In a series circuit, all the electrical components are connected one after another in a single loop, like this. Series circuit. It does not require many wiring connections. It has only one pathway for an electric current to flow through it. When one bulb burns out, the other bulb will not function anymore. Parallel circuit. In a parallel circuit, all the electrical components are connected in two or more loops. It requires many wiring connections and components. It has two or more pathways for an electric current to flow through it. When one bulb burns out, the other bulb will continue to glow. Now let's learn about the differences of the series and parallel circuits. Series circuit, only one pathway for the current to flow, and the parallel circuit only has two or more pathways for the current to flow through. In the series circuit, if we put two bulbs, the bulbs will be less brighter or dimmer, and the battery life lasts longer because it consumes less energy from the battery. And the parallel circuit, if we put two bulbs, the bulbs will still be bright, and the battery life is shorter because it consumes more energy from the battery. The series circuit. When one bulb is busted, the other bulbs does not light up. And the parallel circuit, when one bulb is busted, the other bulbs will light up. Take note, disadvantages of series circuits. A break of any part of the circuit stops the flow of current in the whole circuit. The more bulbs we add the series circuit, the dimmer they become. Take note of this. Advantages of parallel circuits. When there is a break in one of the branches in the circuit, current can still flow through the other branches. The brightness of this bulbs remains the same since the loop is independent. Circuits are everywhere. I will give you some examples of the two types of circuits. Series circuit, like a Christmas light, and now for the parallel circuits. Chandelier, home appliances, and school appliances. Do you like my video? Please like, subscribe, and share for more of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!